We start with this Argentina, and that means Lionel Messi. And he's gone for experience up front, to put it politely, who has 9 goals in 18 international appearances. The coaches can make up to 5 changes in a period of silence for the victims, and only 19 goals scored. To say, just a little flick from Martinez. Next, the player brought down. Martins. Martinez thought he was fouled. The referee disagreeing it down. Martins. Salcedo. Martins. Salcedo waiting for the cross and headed over his own bar by Martinez Quarta. Those front, to say the least here. Chumacero gets it inside. Cardozo. Bolivia at 75. Count Albiceleste so far. Martins. Chumacero. Well, teed up by his captain. Finals come along. Be his last chance for sure. Cardozo. They will get the return here. There's no offside. In by Castro. Here is the goal scorer, Martins, looking to turn Provider here. Threaded through to Martinez. Oh, towards that near post area. You saw Salcedo with his arms behind his back. The whistle's gone for the... certainly worked to their advantage. Ocampos. Oh, the... Too deep. They'll take it on here, the Ajax man. And that is Segredo. Oh, a heavy touch. Disappointing from him. Disappointing for him. Valvin, as a free kick's given, you should be able to take it, he said. Messi, deflected. So away we go in the second half. Bolivia. De Paul out to Montiel. Guayar, that's gets it back from Tagliafico. Bustamante. Castro. Runs over the ball, and it was on target, to be fair. Back to Montiel against Brazil. Jesus on the bench this time. That one's fired wide. Optimistic from there, from Nicolas Tagliafico. Martinez is in a good position. It's still Messi. Here come the home side again. Martins hoping to get on the toss. Martinez. Ozo. Torres. Well, once again, Miranda. He's given Guayar the slip, and he's got it through. Martinez! Oh, what a brilliant save. Lautaro Martinez convinced he was in for a second. Messi's played it through for Martinez. Oh, it's a magnificent goal for Argentina. And it's their number 9, Correa. He's smashed it home. They've turned it around to lead 2-1. Well, it all came from Bolivia rushing to keep the ball in on this near side.
And here's Pedro.